So, today's class we will be learning about the different Visual Basic concepts. I have already explained you what are the different data types and variables that are needed to start Visual Basic. So, let us start the class by understanding how we can start Visual Basic. So, for starting Visual Basic, you all have to click on the Start button. Which button you all have to click on? The Start button. Okay. From the Start button, please click on All Programs, which is a general step, as you all know. That after clicking on Start button, we have to click on the All Programs. And there you will find the Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. I have already intimated you all that I will be giving you the link for downloading Visual Basic 6 from torrent. Okay. And also, if you are having your smartphones upgraded to the latest Android 9 Pie, there is an app called Basic Explorer, with the help of which you can do the practicals. Okay. Now finally we will click on Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. And since talking about practicals, as I told you, after the end of this chapter, after we finish up the question answers, I will first conduct a practical class where I will show you how to get started with Visual Basic. And then on the second chapter, after we clear off the theory, I will do the practicals of Visual Basic 6 with you. Okay. In fact, this will be the last chapter of our syllabus. This too. Okay. That is Visual Basic, Introduction to Visual Basic and more on Visual Basic are the last two chapters we will be covering. Okay. Now, the moment Visual Basic opens, you have to click on the New Project dialog box, which is this. In the New Project dialog box, you will find three different buttons. New button will help you to create newer application. So, what is the use of the new button? New button helps you to create new applications. Existing buttons will help you to open a created application. Suppose if you have already created a VB project, you can open with the help of the existing button. Okay. तो suppose आपने Visual Basic में already एक project बनाया है, तो which button will help you to open an existing project? It is existing tab. Okay. Now recent tab is a bit different from existing. Here the recent tab will show you the recently done projects. Okay. Suppose in the coming the previous 7 weeks, the projects that you have developed are or will be visible in the recent tab. Okay. So suppose you want to start a new project and you are a newcomer. Okay, like you all students are newcomer, you will have to click on the new tab and click on VB application wizard. Okay. Normally what do we do? If we are an amateur developer, we directly click on EXE application. ठीक है, तो VB application को हम EXE application बोलते हैं. But since you are new, you must also know the different types of VB applications we can develop. ठीक है. So where you will click on VB application wizard. I repeat once again, VB application wizard में आपको click करना है. And then finally you have to click on open. Now see, the moment that you click on open, a window will appear with two different entities, MDI and SDI and Explorer style. What is MDI? In multi-document interface, you will be creating a software made up of different windows. Suppose, what is the meaning of Windows? Windows, here I am not meaning here operating system. Have you seen that there are certain softwares that contains only one window? For example, VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is composed of only one window. But Adobe Flash Player or Adobe Photoshop is made up of different windows. The moment we click on layer के लिए अलग सा window खोलता है, color सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो RGB का अलग विंडो, CMYK का अलग विंडो. आई एम गिविंग द एग्जाम्पल्स फ्रॉम योर सिलेबस सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. तो फ्लैश हो गया एक आपका, एंड फोटोशॉप हो गया मल्टी डॉक्यूमेंट इंटरफेस. क्योंकि यहां पे ये एक ऐसा सॉफ्टवेयर है, इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर वेयर वी सी न्यू विंडोज आर ओपनिंग फॉर न्यूअर ऑप्शंस. So that is multiple document interface. That allows us to develop a software application made up of multiple windows. But softwares like VLC, softwares like Adobe Reader is containing only one window. Okay. So these kind of softwares are called SDI, single document interface. What are they called? Single document interface, because they are made up of only one window component. Now Explorer style application works like Windows Explorer like interface. Okay. Windows Explorer like interface matlab, just imagine the Windows Explorer like interface. It will have two tabs, right tab, left tab, and one at the middle. Okay. तो आपको अगर विंडोज एक्सप्लोरर की तरह एक ऐप डिजाइन करना है तो यू विल क्लिक ऑन एक्सप्लोरर टाइप. नॉर्मली वेन एवर वी आर क्रिएटिंग एनी प्रोजेक्ट, बीइंग अ बिगिनर, हम हमेशा MDI या फिर एक्सप्लोरर में ही क्लिक करते हैं. ठीक है. बट अगर हमको एक बेसिक सा एकदम नॉर्मल एप्लीकेशन डिजाइन करना है, वी विल ऑलवेज क्लिक ऑन SDI, सिंगल डॉक्यूमेंट इंटरफेस. सपोज आपको एक कैलकुलेटर बनाना है विजुअल बेसिक में. सपोज आपको एडिशन ऑफ टू नंबर्स का एक एप्लीकेशन बनाना है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स का प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस कैलकुलेटर बनाना है. यू विल ऑलवेज क्लिक ऑन SDI, सिंगल डॉक्यूमेंट इंटरफेस. ओके. आफ्टर वी सिलेक्ट एनी ऑफ द इंटरफेस, लाइक इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन आता है डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन सिंगल डॉक्यूमेंट, मल्टी डॉक्यूमेंट इंटरफेस एंड एक्सप्लोरर स्टाइल. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. If you are creating a software application of multiple windows तो MDI. If you are creating software application जहां पे एक विंडो में ही हम काम करेंगे, एक विंडो में ही काम होगा, जैसे कि VLC, Adobe Reader, तो that is SDI. Explorer style is a type of software application that looks like Windows Explorer. अच्छा, can you name an application which looks like Windows Explorer? Of course, our Windows Media Player. Windows Media Player is Explorer style because it contains a left pane, the right pane, okay, and a middle pane. Okay. So Explorer style, SDI and MDI, this difference comes. So here the author has chosen SDI, single document, and after that automatically you have to give a name to your project. Okay. Suppose you can give any name, like Parth. Suppose Parth is making a project, so Parth.bv, that will be the name. Okay. And we will have to click on next. The moment we click on next, what we will have to do, okay, all the default toolbar, okay, हमेशा next option ही select करना. Do not click on the check boxes. Why you should not click on the check boxes? Because otherwise you will not get the full control. Let VV automatically decide what are the check boxes you need. And finally you have to click on the radio button of the no option of resource file. Why? If you click on the resource file, your project will become very extensive. Okay. So would you like to use a resource file for application? You always click on no if you are creating SDI. You do not need a resource file. Resource file मतलब ये है कि आपका प्रोजेक्ट बल्कि हो जाएगा. Okay. Resource file will be saving the data separately. So it is not advisable to click on yes. Resource file हमेशा no पे रखिए. Okay. And finally click on next option. Okay. Click on the next option so that you can finalize. Okay. Understood? So from here we will be learning about the options of splash screen, login dialog, options dialog. What is splash screen? Splash screen option is the process of giving a welcome screen for your application. Okay, by enabling the splash screen option, your VV window can have an opening screen. Sometime if you want to create a software, where this particularly happens if you are creating a software of a web page. Okay, have you seen that you're creating a software, you'll be given login and password, then only the software will open. Like for businesses, okay, for administrator control. Suppose if you are creating a software to monitor CCTV, so the administrator will have his own user ID and password. So at that time they can use this option, login dialog. Login dialog option gives the password authentication so that the administrator can use the software properly. Options dialog is a tab blank dialog box where attributes can be switched. If you want to give the users different options, you can go for this options dialog box. Okay, it will create a kind of ribbon. एक ribbon जैसा आप thread देंगे users को. Being a developer, you're giving the customer or the user that option by the help of which they can customize. And about box that displays the information of the software, कौन सा कंपनी ने डेवलप किया है, etc. Okay, understood? And finally we will click on the finish button and click on run button to create a sample project. तो देखिए, without any control we can simply create a project, a blank project like this in the following steps. Okay, this same thing I am going to show you in your practical class, but let us first finish off with the question answers. In our next class we'll be doing that, and in the next week probably I will show you the practicals related to this. Okay, so students, please go through it nicely. I will give you certain questions from here in the evening which we will have to solve tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow you must submit the work. I am going to give the homework later in the evening. Okay, after 5 or 6 p.m. Okay, so thank you students for watching today's class. Please do revise the following now.